5 Best Leaf Canister for Pool Vacuum Reviews. Number 1. Hayward W560 Pool Vac Leaf Canister. Finding the leaf catcher that is compatible with your existing pool system is challenging. After scrutinizing the market, we found the best deal for you, Hayward 560, which works with every pool system. No matter what pool systems you have, like Pantera or Zodiac, you can install the Hayward Leaf Canister with them. On top of that, its ergonomic and durable design fits it with your all-vacuum application. To maintain the efficiency of your pool vacuum, it offers dynamic water flow to your pump. Afterward, the see-through design of its canister makes the dumping workflow easier. You can see when the basket requires you to empty it. On the flip side, its easy-to-open lid makes it a breeze to clean the basket by removing leaves and debris. Number 2. Hayward W530 Large Capacity Leaf Canister. Hayward is our second pick for its multi-pool adaptability and superior design. You can connect the canister with any pool cleaner system. Therefore, its high-quality design ensures the water bypass through the canister to your pool pump. As a result, the cleaning ability will increase and suck away dust and debris from your pool efficiently. Therefore, the easy-to-open lid makes it easy to access the basket quickly. On top of that, the see-through construction lets you know when you need to empty the basket. So, you can vacuum your pool without any disturbance. The only con of this pool canister is it's a bit challenging to install it with your pool system without the adapter. Number 3. Pantera R21108 4K Clear Leaf Trap. If you hustle to find a pool canister to put together with your creepy crawly pool, then this Pantera R21108 4K is just for you. Its extra large capacity makes it ideal for a large pool loaded with heavy leaves that require cleaning once a week. The Pantera R21108 4K comes with a 5-liter large capacity bag. As a result, it can store a lot of dirt and debris. So, you don't need to detach it from the system to empty it often. Besides, the snap-open hinged lid allows you quick access to its basket. On top of that, the large handle makes it easier to clean the leaf canister. Therefore, this leaf catcher comes with hose connections with the adapter. So, you can easily install it with your pool system. The only drawback of the Pantera leaf canister is its plastic float top on the water. So, air can easily sneak into it. That makes you priming and dealing with air in your pool lines. Number 4. U.S. Pool Supply Inline Pool Leaf Canister. At number 4, we bring U.S. Pool Supply Professional Leaf Canister for its compatibility and quick access to the basket. The screw on the lid makes it simple to open the canister and offer quick access to the basket. As a result, you can remove out the dust quickly. At the same time, the transparent body of it allows you to see when the leaf trapper requires you to empty it. For quick installation, it comes with 1/2 hose adapters. Therefore, you can attach it to any manual or automatic vacuum cleaners. The only draw of the U.S. Pool Leaf Canister is it's a bit hard to open the lid. The note for the feature we spot of the U.S. Pool Canister is its inline leaf canister. With it, this leaf trapper is ideal for capturing leaves, twigs, other debris before going into your pool filter. In return, less clogging will occur, which reduces filter servicing. Number 5. Zodiac Cyclonic Leaf Canister. Zodiac Cyclonic Leaf Canister is another best leaf catcher for a pool vacuum. The canister continuously captures debris, leaves, and dust before they reach the pump, skimmer, and filter. As a result, the cleaning work pressure of your pool system will decrease and maintain its efficiency and prolong its life as well. Afterward, its easy connecting fittings allow you to install it with your system in a second. On the other hand, easy release twist lock top makes it a breeze to clean and empty the canister. Therefore, the ergonomic handle of this pool leaf catcher allows you to clean it easily without touching the dirt.